In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix TikTok couldn't change the profile picture. So all what you have to do is simple. The first way is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks option, go to the Wi-Fi and then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. That's it, and then go to the airplane mode and do the same thing. That's for the first way. Because it may be just from the Wi-Fi, that's it, why it wouldn't change. The second way is you have to go to the apps manager, go to apps, wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find TikTok and click on it. When you click on it right here, you will find this force stop option. Click on it, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, scroll down and go to the app details. It will take you directly to Google Play. This is the third way to fix it. Just go to Google Play and search for TikTok, then click here on update if you don't have the latest version. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.